Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see how you can import journal entries or any invoices, anything into QuickBooks. And for that you need IIF Import Kit. So it has a lot of templates here you can see. And if you don't have this IIF template, then I've made a separate video on this. You can check it out in the I button. So just check that video and you will find out where to download this IIF template. So in this particular example, I'm going to show you how to import the journal entry. So if I go to the IIF Import Kit, I have the example files. I'll go to that. We have different QB versions, and don't worry if you are using some latest version. Obviously it's showing QB 2006, 2007, but it will work in the latest versions as well. So don't worry about that. Anyways, I'm on QB 2007 and Enterprise 7. So let's go to journal entry. Now you will use this template to import the journal entry. But first of all, you need to customize and put the journal entry into that. But it's an IIF template. So what you will do, you will open Excel and search for this template. I'll click on open other workbooks, browse, and this is our template. Now it will show only Excel files. You need to change it to all files and select this and open. Now it will ask you some text import wizard. Just ignore this and click on finish. Don't change anything. Keep it to delimited and finish. So you will see template in this form. This one will be used to import the journal entry. I'll import only one journal entry for the example. Later in other videos, we will discuss how you can import multiple journal entries, thousands of journal entries. So we will use some Excel techniques for it. But right now, let's import one journal entry. So you can see that it has a particular arrangement, and every transaction starts with the transaction TRNS code, and transaction type is journal entry. This is the date. Let's change. Let's say I want to import in 19 June 2023, right? So make sure both dates are same, and the account. For example, I want rent expense debit and cash credit, and the amount is, let's say, 15,000, and the credit amount will be mentioned in minus 15,000. So this is it. I have adjusted the journal entry in my template, but make sure whatever company you are in, make sure it has that same chart of accounts. Otherwise it will mess up things. So I'll create the new account. I'll click on account and new, expense category, continue, and the account name is rent expense, right? So let's save it. Okay, already in use. Let's check this. Rent expense is already in use. We have this account. So let's check for cash. Let's create cash. Go to new. We will create cash in bank. You can see here petty cash checking accounts are all created in bank category. So continue. Write cash. Make sure the wording should be same. If you are importing the journal entry under the ledger name cash in hand, then make sure that QuickBooks has the same name. So cash, save and close. Okay. Now let's save this one. Control S. Yes. And that's it. Okay. Now let's go to file. In the utilities, click on import, and from IIF files, I'll import that. Now I'll go to downloads. If you're using Windows 11, you can go to desktop first and click on downloads. From here, import kit, and this is my area, journal entry, and let's select this journal entry and click on open. It says your data has been imported. Click OK. Go to Home tab, and to check the journal entry, I'll go to Accountant, make journal entries. Now you can clearly see that we are on entry number 2. Means I've created this new company to show you these examples. So we haven't created anything. So entry number 2 clearly means that if we go back, you can see this journal entry imported right away. So this is how you import the journal entry. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. And if you want to join this full course, you can contact on this number provided in the video. You can also contact for accounting services. So with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.